The lifting table. YouTube, we're back. It's finished. It's performed many projects. It's stout. It's wonderful. Nothing leaks. So just want to walk you through what it is, how it works. And basically, it's a 1/4-inch A36 steel top, polished off and sitting on 3-inch steel main tubes that lead down to these polyurethane wheels. Steel, very hard plastic coating that rolls on the floor, and an additional set that rolls up on top on a couple 1-inch runners parallel with the floor. That way when the table lifts and lowers, the entire table stays level. And left and right side, so that thing stays stable. Everything's driven with the compressor down to an air over hydraulic Harbor Freight hydraulic pump that goes into a 3,000 psi 12-inch stroke cylinder, which pushes off the bottom table frame up onto the table itself. That gives you the scissoring action. Everything rotating on 5/8 bearings and a couple little shafts to make pivot points, 2 on one side of the table and 2 directly in the middle. And that geometry is important to keep the table being parallel with the floor as it raises and lowers. The top, to keep it from rusting, I saw this on about a couple of YouTube channels. Flood. It's like an oil-based resin deal, but it doesn't really harden up. It works okay. It definitely provides some kind of protection, but it's not going to be a hard coating like a polyurethane would. And as far as lifting capacity, welding capacity, I got it to within a 32nd of an inch, so it's fairly flat for all types of work. Woodworking. Here we're gluing up a tabletop. Let's see, other miscellaneous fuckery in the shop. Hammerless fuckery. Or what were these? These were feet for a table that I was building. And yeah, I can't see anything wrong with this. It functions well, and if you'd like more details, shoot it up in the comments. I can give it to you if I can recall what I did. But yeah, thank you. See you later.